Hi, I'm Jules Shepard, and I'm going to show you how to make rice pudding in a slow cooker with raisins and apples. This recipe is not only super easy, but it's a wonderful, healthy dessert option. I'm using long grain brown rice in place of traditional white rice. The brown rice offers a nutty flavor, high fiber and bran, plus nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E, as well as iron and healthy antioxidants. I've rinsed 3/4 cup long grain brown rice in a sieve. Combine the rice with 1/2 cup granulated sugar or unrefined coconut palm sugar and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon in a large slow cooker. Whisk in 1 can low-fat or regular coconut milk, or you could use 1 2/3 cup coconut milk, nog, or milk of choice. Just don't use skim. Peel and dice 2 firm, tart, or semi-sweet apples like Gala apples and add them to the slow cooker mixture. Cover and cook on low for 3 to 4 hours or until the rice is tender and the milk has been absorbed. Stir in 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 2/3 cup raisins, and a pinch of salt. Return the cover to the slow cooker and turn it off, allowing the pudding to sit for another 10 minutes before serving. Spoon into individual serving cups and sprinkle with sugar and cinnamon if you like.